Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you a quick solution about retrieving or resetting, not resetting, or fixing your phone without a factory reset, guys, because it happened to my old phone. So I'm gonna show you very quick here. So guys, this is my S10 Plus and I forgot maybe my password and I attempted to log in my password in it and I can't open it. So I'm gonna show you a, a trick or a way that it helps you how to reset this password without factory resetting, so you don't gonna lose everything in your phone. So I'm gonna use my other phone. Okay guys, you can see my S10 Plus. So what the solution I was talking about is, let's head up on my settings. So in your settings, make sure go to your Samsung account and then click that find mobile. I'm just gonna blur my email address in there, guys, so for my privacy. And then make sure you turn on the remote unlock, the send last location. Why guys? Because if ever happened to you guys like what happened on my S10 Plus, that I've been locked my phone, you can go with this website, guys, the find mobile.samsung. So guys, just click that website, the findmobile.samsung.com on your phone, or you can use your computer and click that unlock, and that's how you're gonna set up in there. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So when you click that unlock, then this is the message that you can read, and it says in here that every pattern, pin, password, biometrics, or facial recognition will be deleted. But this is safely, guys, and recommended for me because it happens to me today, because it will save your files, images, videos, and everything in your phone while doing this. So that's it, guys, how I fix my phone without deleting your files and anything, without factory resetting. So hopefully that this helps you guys, and hit that subscribe button and like this video, and you can share it too if you want. And see you next time. Bye.